Just a quick updates for Arbitrum USDT trading pair with my customer Gerset. HTX, guys, initiation accumulation pump model still relevant because we still not invalidate the lowest listing price. It was 10 cents. On the Binance, by the way, you can double check. We dump it to 10 cents and it was lowest point was on Donald Trump. Dump was 10 cents 49. Anyway, still not invalidated. If we count on a Binance, you can see the potential 50% gap, not a gap, but week close. So we can drop to 20 cents 06. So just in case, just be ready till end of this week. We can see this one. If BTC will continue going down on the 96K to yearly open 94K, or even the close the CMA gap 92. Just in case, here 20.06, 17.80, 14.58. So this is the targets for Arbitrum local one. Technically, this is an okay zone for accumulation, even the best zone for accumulation. On HTX, we didn't see that crazy drop. That's why 20 cents, I think, more than real to see, even the 18. So just in case, highly recommended, by the way, use the fresh new dashboard, CryptoFly dashboard, where you can adjust just any time frame for all of the 6 indicators and track everything in one kind of small dashboard on your screen. So locally, guys, I don't want to repeat again the targets. Global one, let's focus only on this local picture. Bullish targets, guys, I believe anyway we will bounce now or after the drop. It's hard to say by timing, to yearly open. 74, 61, around here it's 70. Yes, around here it's a yearly open. So I believe we will test this level again. When? I have no idea. Global targets, personally for me, still relevant. We still didn't see the major altcoin system because the BTC dominance still over than 60%. So we can't talk about a crazy super cycle. I don't like this term, but people talk about this super cycle for altcoins since 2022. I don't think so, and never think about the super cycle for the alts. Last 3 years, I talk about we have to be realistic with the targets. We have to keep the conservative, maybe much lower expectation than in social media people share it, because it's so attractive to talk only to the moon, but in fact, week after the week, we see the dump. So the big players, the funds just distribute their bags. So how we can talk about the moon targets, if the just venture funds just dump on us, so on retails. That's why, guys, let's focus on a local one. Daily time frame. This was a drop, good moment for the Arbitrum here. The sell was in August, so it was a so obvious time to sell. A test 61 and going down. Once again, great example. So even if we got some level and the candles close above this level, like here, green candle close above, it's like confirmation. So we have to move up forward, right? But it doesn't work like this one. All of these candle patterns mostly never playing out. So they play out after the fact, right? So here we got a signal to close all short position on a daily. It's good one, bullish one. We saw the bounce, buy, bounce, buy, bounce. You can say, oh, it's not a big deal, guys, but take a look, even from this one. So here. So it's pretty good one trades, like the intraday you could trade 17%. So it's I don't know, even the 5x, it's over than 100%. So pretty good one. But of course, you're not open position on a daily time frame. You open position on a small time frame. That's why I highly recommend you use this set in the complex combined with your trading strategy. So globally, on the daily, it's bullish. Weekly, still no signal main one to buy. Invalidation of Arbitrum idea, it's a drop under 10 cents. What to do if we invalidate idea, guys? The same story like with the Starknet with other tokens. So if we invalidate idea, trade it here, this level, will be like resistance. That's why if you're ready to buy Arbitrum, for example, at 10 cents, you can buy here. At 20, you withdraw initial deposit and right to the yearly open. What will be after the yearly open is hard to say. So technically, would be good to see something like this one, some like downtrend line, and go higher to the main target $1.54, $1.65. After that, we need to pay attention more about the time. Because if, for example, yearly openings will be the spring 26 and the BTC dominance will be under like 55%, maybe it will be the top end of cycle for Arbitrum. So it's hard to say about the timing, you know. So take a look, the local zones, ADZ direction. Here's accumulation. Here's accumulation. So technically, guys, on a daily time frame, it's not a distribution time. Direction, we just in neutral zone. No bullish, no bearish signals. Weekly, we formed the awareness. It's bullish because here was a low, 56 cents. After that, higher low on ADZ here, like 46 cents, but lower on the price. And now we traded 24, 23 cents, even 23, and a high low on ADZ. Technically, usually it's bullish. Direction, some accumulation was here, bounce, pump, now nothing. I'm waiting that continuation because market can't going down forever, right? So just so obvious. So anyway, one day we're gonna bounce. 12 time frame, yeah, looks good. All this period, some accumulation. So looks bullish. If you want to buy now, for example, up to your own risk, you know, stop loss should be here, like 3% stop loss here, 340. It can be with second lever, let's say 360. So like 7% stop loss with the target is here. This gap, this one. So it's like with second leverage 120. So pretty good one. So 7% against 120. Nice one. Nice one. Locally on the direction 12 time frame, no day, no signal to buy or sell. So the trade on we can close. Market mood on 12 time frame. It's capitulation. Capitulation on the daily. I'm better wait, guys, 20 cents. So of course you can buy even now, but I'm better wait the test of 20 cents. Market mood, total capitulation, guys. Everybody just in total disbelief about altcoins and Arbitrum also. What I don't like the still euphoria, some euphoria on the market mood. But technically, market mood on the weekly, it's capitulation zone, so it's bullish. Extra bullish. Money power, guys. Yes, finally we see some money inflow. 2 weeks in a row we saw the money inflow, and it's like 23 cents, 23 cents, 23, 46, 23 cents. So it's bullish. Last time we saw the money inflow here at 29, we pumped it to 62. Of course, after the weeks, right? But now it's the same story. Previously also here. Accumulation, less accumulation at 52. We pump it to 122. That's why, guys, just zoom out, open the charts and take a look. This cycle, so difficult. That's why you can see on the chart, after every single 100% pump, Will's just to fix the profit. Because it's on a hard mode, this cycle. And I always recommend you, when you see the your entries going to on a spot, for example, 100% profit or around 100%, just withdraw your initial deposit. You don't need to fix 100% profit and out. You just can fix 50%, withdraw your initial money. So after that, you get free tokens and money from the air, and you don't care after that what will happen with Arbitrum or any other tokens. Daily time frame, no money inflow. Money inflow was here, some bounces, now nothing. But we got like RSI bullish awareness, MACD bullish awareness. Technically, it's bullish, guys. 4 time frame in accumulation, it's good. Of course, they can accumulate longer than we can waste the stable coins. That's why I'm not recommended just to gamble randomly. For 12 time frame, guys, here the test of the buy line is 22.12. Fundamental value of the stock in 1655 on the 12 time frame. Daily time frame, we already passed the buy line. So next step is the fundamental value. It's 28 cents 52. This one. Weekly, we so underrated. So underrated. So we trade on the fundamental value. It's like fundamental value of the stock in 32.63. That's why if we already passed the bottom here, the next step going to be the test below 43.73, the buy line on the weekly, yearly open, take profit 86.84. That's why, guys, I will recommend you, if you want to buy now, it will be not a mistake after the 100% pump, fix or withdraw initial deposit, or fix around here, yearly open and take profit line on a weekly. Guys, write please in a comment what you think about Arbitrum for this current moment. If you'd like to trade with my customer, I would have showed on this video, write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.